I'm a wildlife photographer and I have been into photography for more than a decade now. I have been widely published on prestigious platforms such as BBC Earth, Nat Geo, Discovery, Reader's Digest and various print media in UK and India. I have also been a TEDx speaker multiple times. All started with my obsession with a camera and birds. I wanted to bring out the intimate moments of the jungle to the outer world, to make sure that each and every person who watches my wildlife images or videos falls in love with nature and its wilderness. These days, I'm on a huge project called Project ATR, All Tiger Reserves. On ATR, we are visiting each and every tiger reserve all across the country. There are 55 tiger reserves spread across different corners of the country. It's a 6-month-long road trip and we are more than halfway through. Right now, I'm in Pilibhit Tiger Reserve in the Uttar Pradesh state of India. This is our 52nd tiger reserve of the trip and we have covered more than 30,000 kilometers already. Well, this is indeed one of the most challenging projects I have picked up so far, and Synology has been a great help in the entire project. Let me tell you how. Almost a year back, I was kind of sick and tired using multiple hard drives for the data backup. I use about 4 to 5 cameras on every shoot I go to. And with such high resolution cameras and 4K videos, you can imagine the amount of data I come back with. It's like on every trip, me and my team usually end up shooting about 1 to 2 TBs of data easily. And eventually, data management has become a huge issue for us. It's not just about inconvenience. Eventually, this data problem kind of takes a toll on the quality of your work as well. Now, I was piling on hard drives continuously. Not just that, editing was an issue too. My team of editors had such a headache managing and coordinating all the data. Eventually, I started with YouTube videos as well. And data management of that was another big hurdle in our work. There were times when we had to access the old pile of data from the field itself, which meant carrying a bunch of hard drives around. This situation was unreliable, the data was at risk, and of course, investing in so many hard drives was one expensive solution. So finally, I got in touch with Synology, and my office says it is one of the best decisions I took for them. Synology offered me a perfect solution. They sent me a 6-bay disk station. Now this unit, along with drives installed, a capacity of 96 TBs, and if I ever run out of storage, which I'm going to very soon, this unit is scalable by disk size and expansion units. So it's pretty much future-proof as well. Now I'll tell you what I like the most. Me along with my shooting team goes on to the field, shoots, comes back and dumps all the data on our NAS. The editors can log in from wherever and whenever they want to and access all the data in one go. If 2 people are working on the same project, they do it very conveniently from 2 different corners of the country. And on ATR, it has been a great help. I have been driving through various corners of the country and wherever I go, all I need is a stable connection to access the footages. The NAS is kept at home connected with internet, and from here, all I do is log into my Quick Connect and access the entire pool of data. In fact, if at all I'm taking a workshop while teaching photography to my students and I want to show them a particular file, I don't have to carry all the drives to the field. I just open this drive on my iPad and all the data is here. It's kind of relieving. Synology has my back now. And the best part is I can blindly trust them with all my hard-earned data. Such a relief.